Hi everyone, and welcome to the product launch of our BPM Online Studio Free product. My name is Eric Hale, and I'm a strategic account executive with BPM Online. And today I'm joined by Catherine Kostareva, our CEO and managing partner.
Survival.
Hi everyone, big day for BPM Online and our
Залезайте на
community
YouTube.
today. We're super excited here at our Boston
Без
office
notification,
to
хорошо?
celebrate the release of our free BPM Online product.
So we will be highlighting our new product for process design, as well as sharing our vision for the low-code market and how we plan to evolve our product to help companies embrace the everyone a developer concept. But before we jump into the wonderful world of business process management and low-code, I would like to just say a few words about BPM Online as a company. We are a global software organization with 5 offices around the world. We have over 600 partners in our channel partner network to help support our thousands of customers that have chosen BPM Online as their platform of choice. Both our company as well as our product have been recognized by leading analysts at Gartner and Forrester, including being named to 5 Gartner Magic Quadrants as well as 6 Forrester Waves. So the mission of BPM Online is to help companies accelerate in a time where people need to adapt to change very quickly. So Catherine, in your opinion, what are the key drivers for acceleration today?
And we all know the answer, right, Eric? Technology it is. And you're going to be surprised. I want to start this conversation
Зачем?
with art,
Okay.
not with technology. Do you remember how many years
Не
it took
знаю.
Da Vinci to create its Mona Lisa?
So art is not my forte, Catherine, so I have
Not
no
with
idea how long
technology.
it took to create the
Do you
Mona Lisa.
remember how many years
Не
it took
знаю.
Da Vinci? Do you know what happened at Christie's recently? There was a masterpiece sold for $500,000, and it took just minutes for the artist to create this masterpiece. Who do you think the artist was?
So if it took minutes and we're talking about technology, I'm going to assume that there was some sort of technology that created this.
Absolutely. Artificial intelligence, AI, was the artist in this case. So everyone is becoming an artist using technology. At the same time, another
Через
example,
файл, але можна зробити
everyone
так
is
само, як Костя
photography.
робив.
Using our smartphones, we are creating those beautiful masterpieces.
Нас чути?
And at the same time, everyone is becoming a manufacturer. We use 3D printers to create objects, to create buildings, to create human
Yes.
organs. Everyone a
This I
manufacturer.
like. Як це
Do you have
фігня?
any examples, Eric?
Yeah, so I think that one of the most obvious examples, Catherine, are social media platforms and video platforms that enabled people that you wouldn't necessarily think of becoming millionaires to become millionaires. So if we think back to 2015, there was a young boy by the name of Ryan who created a video of himself playing with over 100 toys from the Pixar movie Cars. And that video went viral. So if you had to guess how many subscribers Ryan has, what would you say?
It's not completely fair because I know the number. My son is one of those subscribers, Eric, and the number is 19 million subscribers.
It's amazing. So 19 million subscribers to Ryan's channel. And this channel has helped Ryan earn over $22 million. So everyone
a
a millionaire.
So, here at BPM Online, we strongly believe that in 5 to 10 years, everyone's gonna be a developer. Software development is such a complex industry, and we know that to create a software piece which is scalable, which is reliable, which is secure, you have to be very experienced and you have to have a very unique specific education. But at the same time, we know that using low-code, no-code platforms, those software products will be created within minutes or hours just by users or analysts, not software developers. Here at BPM Online, we foresee the world where any business idea can be automated in minutes.
So at the same time, there are statistics that show that 70% of business leaders feel that technology actually limits their ability to grow. they feel that technology doesn't adapt quickly enough to their change.
And this is quite easy to explain, right? Because organizations have to change so fast nowadays because the world is changing so fast. This is just as Lewis Carroll said in my favorite quote from Alice in Wonderland. You have to run as fast as you can, my dear, just to stay in place. And if you want to get somewhere else, you have to run even faster. So there is such a huge gap today between IT staff and business because business needs all this agility. Business wants to implement changes in the software as fast as they can. But the whole software development process is quite complex nowadays. So it takes months for the IT staff or software developers to implement those changes, to develop new features, and to change the logics of the software. And this whole gap has to be eliminated. And here at BPM Online, we strongly believe that low-code, no-code technology is something that is going to change this whole gap and fix this pain that business and IT people have today. We foresee a world where any business idea can be automated in minutes. So, Eric, could you tell us more about the product?
Thanks, Catherine. But before I pull back the curtain on our new product capabilities, I just wanted to speak a little bit about low-code and application development, so that way our audience has a better understanding of just how important it is. So analysts at Gartner are predicting that by 2024, low-code application development will be responsible for more than 65% of all application development activity. So what does an application development lifecycle look like? Basically, it's a set of stages starting with needs analysis and requirements gathering, followed by analysis and design. Then we go into app development, testing, and deployment, and then finally, the operation and maintenance of that application. The cycle then continues on the same flow, but now it takes into account new requirements, which allows for continuous application improvement.
Thanks, Ark. It is great to be part of today's launch. Very exciting. My name is Tristan Rock. I'm head of North American Sales here at BPM Online. I am joined by John Benda, who is one of our enterprise account executives, as well as Alex Dunchuk, who is head of our global channel partner program here at BPM Online. Gentlemen, I wanted to sit down and talk to you today, mainly because you guys are the ones on the front lines, talking with clients and partners on a daily basis. And what I'd really like to get a better understanding of is, what's the consensus on business process management, low code, no code, as far as the work environment today? With that being said, John, as an enterprise account executive, you're speaking with clients on a daily basis. Is there something in particular that unifies these clients across the board when it comes to business process management?
Yeah, well, Tristan, I think that no matter what industry they're in, they all have sort of the same common issues when it comes to these type of business process management initiatives. And I can think of like top three. I'd probably start off with saying misalignment. So different departments not communicating with each other, or even in specific departments, the actual users not communicating with each other. This brings collaboration down and really kind of stifles, the operational efficiencies of an organization. The second one is application proliferation. You have so many different silos out there of information. There's no one central source of the truth. And the last one I'd probably say is lack of resources. I mean, we hear that all the time from our clients. We just don't have enough resources to put towards a project. So business has a good idea, they push down to IT, they say we don't have the resources,